Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily download Kanopy application for your Android phone. So let's dive in straight into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure that the Android device that you're using is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, launch Open Play Store. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Kanopy. Once you make a search for it, look for this application from Kanopy Inc. and tap on the install button to begin downloading the application on your Android phone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will only take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Kanopy is a popular video streaming platform which offers a range of films, documentaries, and educational contents. It provides access to the extensive library of movies and documentaries, including classic films, independent movies, foreign films, and educational contents. The platform is available for broad audiences, including students, faculty, and library card holders in participating institutions. Once the application is downloaded and after it is ready for use, you will be able to see the open button. Tap on it to launch Open Kanopy application on your Android phone. So now you can go ahead and create a new account according to your requirement, or if you've got an existing account, go ahead and tap on login and enter your credentials to access your account. That is how you should be able to download the famous Kanopy application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.